Hello, creative minds. Are you ready to explore how AI can take your video projects to the next level? I'm here to show you a fascinating tool that transforms your videos into illustrated storyboards, complete with captions and voiceover scripts, all generated by AI. Whether you're looking to pitch a project, visualize your next film, or just experiment with AI's creative potential, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive into the world where technology meets creativity, and I promise you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So grab your favorite video files and let's get started. First of all, what is Blip Model? Blip Model is for conditional and unconditional image captioning, and Mistral Model is a text generation model that completes the uncompleted sentence or conversations. Now I'm going to tell you how we make a storyboard with a video. I'm using tkinter to allow user to upload a video. Then we will use OpenCV to capture the frames with threshold by calculating the absolute difference between the previous frame and current frame. Then Blip Model will generate captions for the captures frames AI sees, and Mistral Model will take that captions and generate a script. Our last step is to create a storyboard in PDF foam with the help of Matplotlib, a Python package that helps us to visualize and embed plots in graphical user interfaces made with toolkits like tkinter, PyQt, or WXPython. We are using 6 frames in one page, so it will look like a storyboard. Now we will look at the demo first. There is an imports of our process. Then there is an initialization of both the models by Hugging Face. This is the function of Mistral function. And then there is tkinter for video uploading. Now we use threshold and other things according to our need for our video. Then we generate voiceover script for saved frames. In the last step, there is a PDF code to generate storyboard. Isn't it fascinating how AI can transform the way we create and visualize stories? With just a few lines of code, we've turned a simple video into a detailed storyboard ready for any creative project. I encourage you to experiment with this tool, tweak it to your needs, and see how it can benefit your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, the future of creativity is in your hands, and with tools like these, there are no limits to what you can create. Until next time, keep innovating. I will drop the GitHub code link in description below.